So here are some tips for making VHS retro style video on inshot. So first of all, you have to add VHS aspect ratio. First of all, import your video in inshot and then crop it as you need. And then select canvas and select 4:3 to achieve that retro TV look. Tip 2 is add VHS effect and filter. So first of all, tap effects and then under stylize pick the dreamy filter. Adjust its duration according to your video. Then tap effects again and under retro you will find the VHS effect. Tap on it and adjust the duration according to your video. And then tip 3 is add VHS style transition. So first tap the button between the clips and under glitch tap the TV noise effect. Adjust its duration as you want. And tip 4 is add VHS outro. Tap the import button to import a video or photo. Then go to material, under transition tap the TV distortion video. Tip 5 is add a retro style background music. So first of all tap audio, then tap music, then scroll down and under the Note the King album select Ice-T as a background